Looking at Module 4.3, page 132, problems 1 and 2. So we're going to complete each table and tell whether the relationships are proportional. Explain why or why not. So a student reads 65 pages per hour. So they're starting here with this 3. We're going to add a column here because I want to add, well, I don't want 3 hours, I want 1 hour. And it tells us here that 1 hour is 65 pages. So we need to multiply by 65. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Multiply by 65. Multiply by 65. And then for this one, what do we multiply by 65 to get that? And then 10 times 65. So we're simply multiplying by 65 each time. 3 times 65 is 195. 5 times 65 is 325. What do we multiply by 65 to get 585? That is 9. And 10 times 65 is 650. It wants us to explain our reasoning. Is it proportional? Yes, it is proportional. Why? Because pages, the number of pages is always 65 times the number of hours. So 65 times the number of hours gives us the number of pages. On to number 2. A babysitter makes $7.50 per hour. Again, we're going to make a new column here, and in this column we're going to start with number 1. 1 hour is 1 hour is 7.5. I don't know why that says pages. That should say money. Should say, yeah, that's a typo. So if 1 is 7.5, how do we get from 1 to 2? We multiply by 2 times 2. So we do the same thing here. Times 2, and we get 15. How do we get from 7.5 to the next column? That's times 3, so we multiply by 3 up top, and that gives us 3. On the next one, times 5, so we multiply the bottom by 5 down here. 7.5 times 5 is 37.5. And we should add a 0 because we're talking about money, not pages. And then 60. The answer we get there is 8. And it is proportional. Because the earnings are always 7.5 times the number of hours.